Autism is a neurological disorder that affects the way a person communicates and interacts with others. It is a spectrum disorder, which means that it can range from mild to severe, and each individual with autism can have unique challenges and strengths. The history of autism dates back to the early 20th century when the condition was first recognized by psychiatrists. In the early 1940s, Dr. Leo Kanner, an American psychiatrist, published a groundbreaking paper describing a group of children with similar behavioral patterns. He called this condition early infantile autism, emphasizing the significant difficulties these children had in social interactions and communication. Around the same time, another psychiatrist named Hans Asperger, working independently in Austria, identified a group of children with similar traits, which he termed autistic psychopathy. Asperger's research focused on higher-functioning individuals who exhibited intelligence and language skills but struggled with social interaction. For many years, these two groups of researchers worked independently of each other, and their work remained relatively unknown to the broader medical community. However, in the 1980s, both Kanner's and Asperger's research gained recognition, and the term autism spectrum disorder, ASD, was introduced to encompass the range of behaviors and abilities found in individuals with autism. Throughout the 20th century, there were various theories attempting to explain the causes of autism. One of the most well-known theories was the cold mother theory, proposed by Dr. Bruno Bettelheim in the 1950s. Bettelheim suggested that autism was caused by a lack of maternal warmth and affection, leading to emotional detachment in the child. This theory, however, has been discredited and is no longer accepted in the field of autism research. As our understanding of autism deepened, scientists and researchers began to explore the genetic factors involved in the disorder. A landmark study in 1977 by Dr. Michael Rutter showed that autism had a strong genetic component. This groundbreaking discovery paved the way for further studies that identified specific genes associated with autism and provided valuable insights into its underlying causes. In addition to genetics, other factors such as environmental influences and prenatal complications have been explored. Researchers have studied various prenatal and perinatal factors, such as maternal age, exposure to certain medications or toxins, and complications during pregnancy, to better understand their potential links to the development of autism. Over the years, the diagnostic criteria for autism have also evolved. In 1994, the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, DSM-IV, established specific criteria for diagnosing autism. However, in 2013, the fifth edition of the manual, DSM-5, introduced significant changes and merged several previously distinct diagnoses, including Asperger's syndrome, into the broader category of ASD. The changes in diagnostic criteria have sparked debates within the autism community. Some argue that the new criteria may lead to underdiagnosis in individuals with high-functioning autism, while others believe it streamlines the diagnostic process and provides better clarity. Alongside advancements in diagnosis, therapies and interventions for individuals with autism have also made significant progress. Applied behavior analysis, ABA, speech therapy, occupational therapy, and social skills training are some of the evidence-based interventions used to support individuals with autism. These therapies focus on enhancing communication skills, social interactions, and adaptive behaviors, allowing individuals with autism to reach their maximum potential. Today, there is a growing recognition and acceptance of autism, both within the medical community and society at large. Awareness campaigns, advocacy efforts, and inclusive education programs are helping to create a more inclusive and supportive environment for individuals with autism. While there is still much to learn and understand about autism, the history of this disorder shows the progress we have made in recognizing and supporting individuals with autism. Through ongoing research, greater awareness, and continued advancements in therapies and interventions, we can strive to create a more inclusive and understanding world for individuals with autism.